And let's go ahead, import our file into our data frame. See if this works. Okay, so data frame. So we have these work orders. There should be 17. So starting from 0, there's 17. Now, this value obviously doesn't match the XPath value that we had um, to find this. So what we need to do is get the work order actual number and create an XPath value with that number and with these XPath values. So to do that, what we can do is, well, let's copy this. XPath value would be this, but we'll take this. Does work? I don't think so. This would work. So this would only select check work order 3. Let's make this dynamic. What we can do is, I think, do this and format. Let's see, 30. See if this works. Okay, looks like that works. Let's do the same for 7 actually to see if it works. So now let's find this driver, find element by XPath, XPath value. Click. That didn't work. Hmm. It should be the same as this. So it's not the same. So, we're missing a bracket. That was brilliant. So let's go back. So here we need a bracket over here. See if this works now. Okay, let's try to click on it now. Okay, that works. So now we can create the XPath values from work orders by just adding this number to this string. And it should create an XPath list based on the import file. Let's try to do that now. That was a data frame. And to get the numbers, we can split the string by the last space. Or we can just break it up by space and get the last item. So if we do df work orders, what is it called? Work orders. First item. This how does this work? Oh no. iLock. Work orders. I think. Oh, okay. See if this works. That works too. How about this? That works too. Uh, so to do that, um, let's call this a work order. Roll number is work orders. First item. We'll split this by space. We should get a list of 3 items. Okay, so we want last item. To get the last item, we'll just do -1. Is that? I think. Okay. So this assignment was incorrect. What we need to do is row number is 2. Okay, now let's create XPath list from um, our data frame. XPath list, new list, for item in if work orders. Will this work? Let's see if this works. Item. Okay, that works. So what we can do is XPath lists, XPath path list. Well, that was a brilliant name. Create a new list. XPath lists, blank list. XPath list would be append. Let's create work order number first. Row number is this. Instead of going through this, though, we'll call it item. And this will assign this number, the work order number, to this variable. And now we'll create XPath value equals, how did we get this earlier? I think this was it. We'll create a new XPath value and we'll append XPath list, path value. See if this works. Okay. XPath lists. 7. It's all 7. Oh, because we only added. Well, that was stupid. Let's empty this list. And we'll do the same, except instead of 7, we'll assign row number there. So let's go ahead and redo it. And we don't need 7 here, but we need row number. Now let's try it. Okay. Is this right? Well, one way to find out. let's go ahead and see if this checks out. So in order for this to work, we have to have more items here. So we're selecting 17 out of 30. So let's refresh this and we'll create 30 checkboxes. So I had this code earlier. So what we can do is for item in XPath list, driver find element by XPath item. See if this works. Oh, again, we got to click, click, click. Hey, it works. What do you know? So, so this function works. So we have to go through, we'll create a new function, which imports our list and also creates XPath values from the list. Uh, okay. Based on what we went through, I was able to create um, function here, two functions here. Let's see if this works. So this one should create a new list, XPath list, and import our work order list, and then go through the work order item to create a roll number, create an XPath value from the roll number, and then create a list, append it to the list. So let's see. This is just a function. Now, if we call it, we should get that same 17 items. Oh, okay. We have this list, and now this one does the selecting based on our list. Let's see, select wool, XPath list. Okay, that works. Let's make this change our list now. Make it more. So if we have 500 items, of that we want to select, I don't know, 136. So let's create our work order list, 136. Here's our work order number list. We'll add this to our import sheet, which is here. Save. Now let's go ahead. Now we need to update our page to have more items. Clear this out. Let's have 500. We have 500 work orders and 136 items to select. Okay. Let's test our functions. So which first one was get XPath list? Will this work? I'm not sure. It's supposed to return. expand list. Now, what was, should return. See if this works. New list, get expand list. Okay, now we have 136 items. So we'll call this one now with new lists. Ah, what do you know? This may take a moment. Oh, okay. That didn't take too long. Here's our 136 items. All right. Okay, so our functions are working. We may have to spruce this up a bit. But this is what I wanted to cover in this video, just get the basic app that would automate selecting work orders or checkboxes. And in the next video, we'll work on creating a GUI so we can have buttons. It'll be easier to process than running this app in Python. Okay, thank you for watching.